Hey there, bud. What you doing?
I was just grabbing the soda. Gonna drink some soda.
Really? You mind if I, take that?
I was kinda gonna drink it, actually.
Ah, got ourselves a tough guy here, huh? I don't take too kindly to that. Get him, boys.
Stop right there! I'm Ratchet Girl, protector of the innocent, defender of the storm. I protect the common folk, and I will defeat you!
My god, we couldn't even hit her.
Now it's my turn.
It was here that the mysterious Ratchet girl saved this young man from being attacked. Can you tell us what happened?
I just went down the hallway to grab me a cold pop. And all of a sudden, this guy comes out of nowhere. I said, "Oh Lord Jesus, he's got a Nerf gun." And there were bullets everywhere. I almost got shot, and nobody got time for that.
What a lucky young man. Now you were also here. Can you tell us what happened?
Well, I wasn't there until afterwards, but I hear she's a pretty superhero. I mean, she's a little ratchet, but, you know, she's got a big booty, she has super punching. I mean, she's pretty fabulous. What can I say?
Thank you very much. That's enough. Well, so far the identity of this Cape Crusader still remains a mystery. But everyone knows that life in the storm will never remain the same. If you have any information regarding Ratchet Girl, please call the number on your screen. This has been Norton News. Good night.